Thinking about braces or Invisalign? Your journey starts with a consultation, including photos, x-rays, and a full exam. Next, choose your treatment. Options include Invisalign, traditional braces, custom braces, or early care for kids. Preparation comes first. Teeth are cleaned, and molds or digital scans are made for a perfect fit. Then comes placement. Braces are bonded, or your Invisalign trays are fitted, marking the start of treatment. Active treatment begins. Braces need adjustments every 4 to 6 weeks. Invisalign trays are switched weekly or bi-weekly. Keep your teeth clean. Brush, floss, and avoid sticky or hard foods to prevent delays. Refinement and retention follow. Minor adjustments perfect your bite, and retainers keep your smile stable. Your orthodontic journey includes consultation, treatment, and retention. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your smile healthy.